Welcome to PCR Educator's demo video, where we will introduce you to our game-changing AI-powered report card comments feature. Let's dive in and see how this innovative tool can save you time and effort while creating personalized, insightful comments for your students. First, log into your PCR Educator account and navigate to the report card page. Here, you can enter your students' report card grades as usual. Notice the auto-generated prompt created based on the student's gradebook and report card data. This prompt will serve as the basis for generating your report card comment using OpenAI's powerful API. The prompt also includes information about the student's performance as recorded in the gradebook. Now simply click the Generate Report Card Comment button and watch as the AI generates a unique and personalized comment for your student. And there you have it, a tailored, insightful comment reflecting the student's achievements and areas for growth, all generated in just seconds. But what if you want to fine-tune the comment even further? No problem. You can easily add more details to the prompt, ensuring the AI-generated comment is exactly what you're looking for. Once you've made your adjustments, click the Regenerate Report Card Comment button to generate a new comment based on the updated prompt. And just like that, you have an updated and even more personalized comment for your student. PCR Educator's AI-powered report card comments feature is designed to make your life easier, allowing you to spend more time on what truly matters, inspiring and educating your students. We hope you're as excited about this groundbreaking tool as we are. To learn more and start using this innovative feature, visit our website or contact our support team. PCR Educator, empowering teachers, transforming education.